A young female, all of 26 years of age, came complaining about swelling, pain, and pus discharge from the left lower jaw. On examination, taking a detailed history, I come to know she has been operated twice in the past for the very same lesion. Further investigations, we run a series of scans, tests, x-rays, and we come to know there are certain bone eating cells which are present in the lower jaw as well as the upper jaw. So she has been diagnosed in the past and operated for the same with something called as OKC, odontogenic keratocyst. Now these kinds of cysts are benign in nature, but they are highly aggressive, which means they have a tendency to recur. Today we will be dealing with the surgical management of one such patient, and also let's see how the post-op recovery happens.